Hey, and g'day, top of the morning or top of the afternoon to you, here with me, J-Mac, the Red Island Shaver. On this fine Monday. Hopefully you guys are all having a great start to the week. I know it's Monday, but as we say here, you know what? Every day that you wake up is a great day indeed. So get out there and seize that day. And speaking of seizing the day, a nice shave today. This one is CBL Orange Dirt, or L'Orange Dirt, or however, well, there's no L there, but they have the little thingy above the A, so orange. Yeah, pretty good soap, or pretty okay soap. It's made by CBL, or that's the label. I think this is made by Ethos. Don't quote me on that. Got this from Marion the Barbarian. Thank you so much, Marion. Scent on this is Terre d'Hermes, and it's pretty good, but my first impression is the scent needs to be cranked up a little bit more. So the scent on this is orange, grapefruit, black pepper, vetiver, and cedar, and unfortunately it's just, the scent strength is just okay. It's definitely not in your face. It's not something I would expect from a cologne dupe. Usually cologne dupes, you know, they kind of hit you pretty hard, and you get all that lovely stink. And unfortunately, this one is on the really light side of medium, and I think even calling it the light side of medium is being generous. I would have to say this is a very lightly scented soap. Now, to be fair to CBL, I don't know how old this soap is. I don't know how long Marion had it. I don't know who had it before Marion. This soap could be 3 years old and could have been exposed to all sorts of devious things. So I don't want to put it down too much without caveating that. Other than that, the scent I did smell was nice. It is a tallow soap. Kind of took me for a bit of a spin when I was looking up the ingredients list, and it said Wagyu tallow. And I'm like, well, that's some pretty expensive stuff. You know, we're getting into, they're using Wagyu beef tallow for the soap, and it's got all the other usual accoutrements in there. You get your stearic acid, your coconut oil, your different butters, and all that good stuff. I whipped it up using my Matti Lindholm shaving brush. The shave, as far as the shave goes, the shave was good. I pre-lubed the face with the cube, as I always do. Even if I'm evaluating a soap, I'm just going to put the cube on. That puts everything in a level playing field anyway, right off the bat. It's either going to have to be no pre-shave for every new soap or pre-shave. I'm going with the pre-shave. It lathered up fine, made a nice lather. It was a stable lather. The initial slickness was good. It was good slick soap. Residual slickness was pretty good. Post-shave was a little bit lacking, I want to say. It wasn't like the usual post-shave I'm used to with the super fatted soaps. Like, I'm used to like a really buttery feeling on the face, and as you guys know, or if you're new to the channel, I don't do a whole lot of post-shave routine. My post-shave routine is use some cold water, get the excess lather off the face, and that's it. I'm kind of using the soap ingredients as my post-shave, and then I put a post-shave product on. So this is a little bit lacking in the post-shave department, even with some influence from the cube. I mean, my skin feels nice, don't get me wrong. It's not as buttery as it could be, but I mean, then again, I'm not lacking or wanting anything either. Everything feels fine. Went with the Matti Lindholm Nuclear Waste Aftershave Splam. It is a balm with alcohol in it, so it's a Splam, so an alcohol splash and a balm. Very nice citrus scent, good hit of menthol, great way to cap off the shave. So all in all, I wouldn't put this in my top tier of soaps, and I'd probably put it in the tier below my top tier, which is still good. There's nothing wrong with it, but the biggest wish is I wish that scent strength was cranked up a lot more. It's a really nice, pleasant scent, a nice citrusy, woody, earthy cologne, which is right in my wheelhouse. I love that kind of stuff, but I need more of it. I need more of that scent. I need more of the stink. Other than that, pretty okay. So that's my first impressions on CBL Orange Dirt. Maybe a little bit harsh, but try not to be too harsh. overall pretty great soap, just that scent needs to be cranked up a notch. So that'll do it for me, guys. Thank you so much to all the new subscribers. I do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, haven't yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Helps the wet shaving community grow, helps the channel grow. We all grow together, and that's what we're after, is to grow this fantastic hobby. So that's going to do it for me. Till next time, my friends, be safe, be kind to one another, and have a great day and an even better shave. And we will catch you in the next one. Cheers.